Today I want to create the best tutorial for a freelancing site where you get full information of this site. Watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What about the Freelancer platform? By a number of users and ventures, freelancer.com is the world's largest freelancing and crowdsourcing marketplace. We communicate with many employers and freelancers from more than 247 countries, regions, and territories worldwide. Employers can recruit freelancers through our marketplace to work in fields such as software creation, writing, data entry, and design, right through to engineering, research, sales and marketing, accounting, and legal services. What is the mechanism behind it? 1. Post a contest or idea. For what you need to do, simply post a project or contest and receive competitive bids from freelancers within minutes. 2. Find the right freelancer. Look at the profiles of freelancers. Real-time talk. Compare the different ideas and choose the right one. Award your venture and your freelancer begins working. 3. When you are happy, pay. Using our milestone payment system to pay safely. When it's over and you're fully happy, release the funds. Functionality. 1. Online chat. Live chat. To ask questions, exchange suggestions, and receive regular updates on the progress of your work, you can live chat with your freelancers. 2. Mobile app. By mobile, at the touch of your fingertips, control your project. The mobile app makes collaboration on the go a breeze. 3. Pay with confidence. Pay conveniently and securely via the milestone payment system in over 39 currencies. Just release payments when the job satisfies you. 4. 24/7 support. To support, we're still here. To support you with any concerns, our members are available 24/7. There are 2 ways to begin working as a freelancer. 1. Hire someone to hire 2. It is very easy to start working as a freelancer. 1. Place a work advertisement. It's easy. Simply post a job that you need to complete and obtain competitive bids within minutes from freelancers. 2. Select freelancers. There will be a freelancer to get it done, regardless of your needs, from web design, mobile app creation, virtual assistants, product production, and graphic design, and a whole lot more. 3. Pay securely. Freelancer.com is the easiest and best way to get work done online, with protected payments and thousands of reviewed professionals to choose from. How helpful to you is: 1. Look at portfolios. By searching their examples of previous work and reading their profile feedback, find professionals that you can trust. 2. Check out the bids. Within seconds, you'll receive free bids from our professional freelancers. 3. Live chat. You can connect with your freelancers in real time and get daily updates on the status of your project. 4. Pay for quality. Pay for work when it's done and you're absolutely happy. 5. Track progression. With our time tracker and smartphone app, you can keep up to date and on the go. 6. 24/7 support. To support, we're still here. Our support is made up of actual individuals who are available 24/7. There are over 1,800 distinct groups, such as designing, programming, marketing, proofreading, etc. I hope you really like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and share the video. Good luck.